Stop eating these three foods. Your nerves can't heal around them. Sugar, seed oils, alcohol. If you have nerve pain, these three are working against you every single day, not just because they're unhealthy, because they actively block the repair your body is trying to do. You don't have to stop all three at once, but you need to know what each one does so you can choose where to start. Here's what they're doing inside your body right now. Imagine a crew trying to fix a damaged road. They're laying down fresh pavement, working hard. Now imagine someone keeps dumping gravel on that fresh pavement faster than the crew can clean it up. The road never gets fixed. That's what these three foods do to your nerve repair. Food number one, sugar. This is the worst one. Here's why. Sugar sticks to proteins in your blood. It creates something called AGEs. That stands for Advanced Glycation End Products. The name doesn't matter. What matters is what they do. AGEs make your nerve coating stiff and brittle. Your nerve coating needs to be flexible, like a rubber coating on a wire. AGEs turn it into hard plastic. The signals can't get through. Every time your blood sugar spikes, even a little, you create more AGEs. A soda, a pastries, a bowl of white rice. Each one dumps more gravel on the repair road. What to do? Cut out the biggest sugar source first. For most people, that's drinks. Soda, sweet tea, juice. Switch to water for 1 week. That alone drops your blood sugar load in half. Food number two, seed oils. Vegetable oils, soybean oil, canola, corn oil. These oils are high in something called omega-6 fats. Your body needs some omega-6, but most people eat 10 times too much, if not more. Too much omega-6 turns on your body's inflammation switch and leaves it stuck in the on position. Your nerves sit in a bath of inflammation all day. Swap these oils for olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil. Same cooking, same taste, different effect on your nerves. Food number three, alcohol. Even one drink. Alcohol does two bad things to your nerves. First, it's directly toxic to nerve cells. It actually damages them on contact. Second, it steals your B vitamins, especially B1, which nerves need to make energy. The nightcap that helps you fall asleep is also destroying the repair work your body tries to do between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. You're trading 1 hour of drowsiness for 8 hours of blocked repair. You don't have to stop all three. Start with one. The one you eat or drink most often. Cut that one for 7 days. That alone shifts the math in your favor. Let me tell you what changes when you do remove these three. Within 3 days of dropping blood sugar, the burning at night starts to quiet down. Your blood sugar stops spiking after meals. Less sugar means less AGEs. Less AGEs means your nerve coating stays flexible. Within 1 week of switching oils, the background inflammation drops. You might not feel it directly, but your nerves do. Less inflammation means your repair crew works faster. The alcohol one is harder for most people, but here's what matters. Even cutting back from every day to weekends only gives your nerves 5 nights of repair instead of 0. That's a 500% improvement. Combine this with walnuts from day 2, you're adding repair materials, and now you're removing repair blockers. It's both sides of the equation at once. Write that down. Add the good, remove the bad. Both matter. Day 6, pen test. Final check before tomorrow's integration day. Close your eyes, pen cap to the big toe, sharp or dull. Compare to day 2 and day 4. If the trend is going up, your nerves are healing. If it's the same, the food changes will push it over the edge this week. Write it down. Tomorrow we put the whole protocol on one sheet and you see exactly how these 6 days built on each other. Today's action, pick one food to drop, just one. Sugar is the most powerful one to start with. Day 7 is the finale. We put the whole 7-day protocol together on one page. Plus, I'll tell you what happens when you do this for 30 days instead of 7. Hit subscribe. You don't want to miss the full picture tomorrow. Start with just one thing. Drop one food today. That's our adjustment. I'll see you for day 7.